Hey, YouTube Gunham here. Welcome back to Satisfactory once again. I've decided I'm going to begin a series that is a base tour, or factory tour, because I am finally constructing everything needed for the space elevator. It's just, in order to build it, I need to wait, because quantum encoders are a headache. These are the last two things I need, and they take forever. Speaking of taking forever, the teleporter takes forever, but, So I'm going to start on my base tour, and the way I think I'm going to do it will be, part one is going to be that, which is majority heavy modular frames and some of those frameworks over there. I'll do the Caterium as well. That's going to be its own, well no, I can throw that in as well. And then I'll do the main base as the second one. Then that nuclear plant will be the third. I'll have to throw in that oil as its own little thing because it's way over there. Quartz and that'll be a fourth, then oil will be a fifth, then I have the upper nuclear plant there, and that'll be a sixth and seventh. So, yeah. So that's how I'm going to do this. I'll start with this area, but each one will be its own little video. And before I do, I really need to crank up my, yeah, there we go. I don't even know where that's going. Oh, it's just loading. Oh, whatever. So, yeah. Alright. One step at a time. This is going to be fun because I do want to go into some details and, yeah, it's not much down here, luckily, but there's a lot of stuff on the various levels of the base. So, it's going to be fun to do a proper base tour. I'm going to try and keep it short and sweet. But, you know me, that's not going to happen. Yep, I know it's computers. So, I'll do the warehouse and the domain, but I'll start with that. I will catch you in the next one. So this is part one, which is just talking, and we go to part two now.